Do you know what the Wegovy is? There are many who try the Wegovy. You may know why. So many try to lose weight. Yeah, it's very effective. There are many sayings among doctors, it's very effective, and many got satisfied with the injection of Wegovy. And then, is that successful? Yeah, they say it's successful to lose weight though. But the problem is that there are skin issues. So many try to Wegovy and lost about 40 pounds or 50 pounds of weight. So they're gonna very nice when they check their body every morning. But when they go out and enjoy a beach with a nice bikini or something, they cannot enjoy the bikini. The reason is that the laxity. It's something like an empty balloon syndrome. Do you know the balloon that leak out of air? So it's a flappy and loose. That's the issue of many ladies. So traditionally, many plastic surgeons do recommend to resection surgery, like brachioplasty, breast reduction surgery, and tummy tuck surgeries. So resection surgery might be a good option though, but recently the clients, they do not enjoy such a long scar marks or some invasive procedures. So there are good development of some conservative treatment. You may know some dermatologic devices, thermals or HIFU or something that tighten the skin. But sometimes it is not easy to cover the wide area, like belly or both arms or inner thighs. It's not easy to cover that big areas. So there might be some intermediate aggressive procedures. We call them minimally invasive procedure. That might be very simple kind of surgery, or that might be a little aggressive dermatologic care. So APOLEX-Tite might be such a kind of a device. It's going to work to deliver energy. It is very exactly controlled temperature that deliver to the dermis and making skin tighten. So it's going to be another good option in the middle of those very weak dermatologic cares or who want to very invasive surgical resection. But many people, the trend is changing to get some small procedure rather than very long downtime procedures. So the advantage of APOLEX-Tite is a kind of delivering energy that is generated by RF energy. So the issue is that it's okay to making heat energy, but the worry is that how about it making some burn when it goes too much? So sometimes it's too weak and there's no effect. Advantage of this APOLEX-Tite is a very highly sensitive sensor, the temperature control. So they check the exact room temperature and they check exactly how high the temperature is, even though the TV is inside. So you can regulate the temperature range, for example, about 45 Celsius to 55 Celsius or in between. It depends on your technique or speed of those stroke or something. Anyway, when you set those level of temperature, for example, 55 degrees Celsius, the device exactly stops emitting the energy when it reaches to the level of 55. That's good advantage. So when you open the tip in the room air, it exactly checks the room temperature. So what I'm talking is that it's a very sensitive sensor. That means that it very sensitively controls the level of energy we are trying. So I do believe it's a very effective device delivering energy and making skin contraction. You may combine with the liposuction and together with the tightening. But recently, many try to just only conservative treatment sometimes, like the lady this afternoon. So she's 42, she wanted to lose weight and maybe some partly successful, and she find out there are some shakiness inside of her both arms. So traditionally, I do recommend some liposuction, and it's gonna make some volume out and together with the small contraction though, but she doesn't want such an aggressive procedures. So today we delivered about 45 watts and 55 degrees Celsius for both arms. We deliver 14 minutes, 7 minutes for each. So the advantage is that it doesn't need any downtime. She can go out for work tomorrow morning. So it's a very simple and easy for her. And effect might be sometimes limited. So that's why when I make a consultation, I do always recommend to, it may need twice or 3 times, mostly twice in 3-month interval. But sometimes when the sagginess or the laxity is too serious, I recommend 3 times in 3-month interval. Mostly 1 or 2 times might be optimal to make an optimal outcomes. So the lady asked to make small procedures. Anyway, I'm gonna try some other device like a LDM or some ultrasound or sometimes HIFU device if I need it, or for better recovery of those swellings or something. But anyway, I do believe it's optimally effective and very safe device, and very sensitively you can control those temperature. So that means there are not much complications that you have to worry about. And that's why it's a very nice device you can try who are suffering from skin laxity or sagginess, even though aging or after successful Wegovy or long after the liposuction. So any kind of skin laxity you may try from top to bottom. That means that jowl or neck or armpit or even some breast or belly or inner thighs. Any area you may try with a nice outcome with the APOLEX-Tite. You may try.